Backyard birds here. I got a whole bunch of blue jays today. They're trying to land on my new bird feeders I got at the dollar store. I got those for $3. Air traffic I'm listening to on my homemade antenna I built outside. It's just, believe it or not, some copper wire. Ground copper wire. And it has shield on it. And it comes in very, very well. I'm really impressed with it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blue jays. 12. Whole bunch of them today. And I got my lawnmower coming back, so I can't wait. I just got a new part for my lawnmower next door, and I can't wait to get it back. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Thumbs up. If everybody give me a thumbs up, that would be great. Thank you very much. Have a great day.